Want to instantly unlock a world of music and share your favorite tunes with friends in a flash? First, make sure you have the Spotify app installed on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have it yet, download it from your app store and log in. Alright, let's dive in. Open the Spotify app and look for the search icon, which usually looks like a magnifying glass. At the bottom of your screen, tap on it. Now at the top of the search screen, you'll see a search bar. On the right side of that search bar, you'll find a little camera icon. This is the Spotify code scanner. Tap on that camera icon. Your camera will now activate. Ready to scan a Spotify code? Simply point your device's camera at the Spotify code you want to scan. This could be a code on a friend's phone, a printed poster, or even a screenshot. Once the code is scanned, Spotify will automatically take you to the corresponding profile, song, album, or playlist. It's that easy. You can also share your own Spotify codes. Just tap the three dots on the song or playlist, find the share button, and a Spotify code will pop up to let others scan. Now you know how to use the Spotify code scanner. This is a super quick and convenient way to share music, discover new artists, and connect with your friends on Spotify. Go ahead and give it a try. Happy listening! Remember to like and subscribe for more Spotify tips and tricks.